from the closet walls, the schoolhouse halls, the shotguns loaded. Push me and I'll push back. I'm done asking ID man from a nation under God. I feel its love like a cattle prod. I'm born free, but still they hate. I'm born mean, no, I can't change. It's always darkest just before the dawn. So stay awake with me. Let's prove them wrong. Make it stop. Let this end. 18 years pushed to the ledge. It's come to this. A weightless step on the way down, singing whoa, oh, the cold river washed him away, but how could we forget? The gathering saw candles, but not their tongues. And too much blood has flowed from the wrist of the children's shame for those they chose to kiss. Who will rise to stop the blood? We're calling for, insisting on a different beat, yeah, a brand new song.
Tyler Clementi, age
Keep your head up. Be who you want to be.
I know how you feel, but it's not true. You are worth it. Don't underestimate the kindness of other humans.
Never give up. There's so much more life.
Make it stop, make this end. This life shows me I'm not lost in sin. And right I stand of who I am. I plan to go on living. Make it stop, let this end. All these years pushed to the ledge. But proud I stand of who I am. I plan to go on living.
Things get better.
It will get better.
Life gets better.
It gets better.
It does get better.
It gets so much better.
It does get better.
Life gets better.